DFA Online. News and events from different Philippine embassies and consulates around the world. DFA Online. Here on Radyo Pilipinas World Service.
Good day, this is DFA Online here on Radyo Pilipinas World Service. The Department of Foreign Affairs Foreign Service Institute or FSI successfully launched the third iteration of the basic course of the Law of the Sea Academy or third BCLSA, which featured lectures delivered by high-caliber experts and practitioners. In a statement, the FSI said 43 attendees, including representatives from different government agencies, attended the third BCLSA. The program concluded with a study visit to the Kasay Marine Protected Area or KMPA in San Fernando, La Union, a marine sanctuary home to diverse marine species including giant clams and turtles. Representatives from the City Environment and Natural Resources Office or CENRO, KMPA, and the United States Peace Corps briefed participants on the state of the marine sanctuary, highlighting the robust collaborative efforts among local community members, government agencies, and other stakeholders in protecting and preserving the marine protected area. The Law of the Sea Summer Program was launched in April 2024 with a vision to be the premier learning resource for public servants to engage with Philippine maritime experts and practitioners to deepen their understanding and appreciation of maritime affairs in support of a whole-of-government approach. The FSI is poised to convene 2 more sessions of the Law of the Sea Academy this year, one of which will take place in Davao City in order to make the learning opportunity accessible to personnel of national government agencies in Mindanao.
DFA Online. Here on Radyo Pilipinas World Service.
In our news, the Philippine Embassy in Chile, the Philippine Space Agency or PhilSA, and the Department of Astronomy of Universidad de Chile held an online meeting to explore potential cooperation in space science and technology. According to the embassy, Philippine Ambassador to Chile Celeste Vinson Balatbat, Deputy Director General Dr. Gay Perez of the Philippine Space Agency, and Department Chair Dr. Ricardo Muñoz of the Department of Astronomy of Universidad de Chile discussed concrete ways where the Philippines and Chile could initiate cooperation on research, knowledge sharing, education exchange, and establishing formal agreements in the near future. Ambassador Vinson Balatbat said the Philippine government sees potential for leveraging Chile's comparative advantage in astronomy and establishing linkages with the South American country's scientific community. She also highlighted the Philippines' growing interest in space science and the strategic importance of international partnerships in advancing the country's space capabilities. PhilSA representatives likewise outlined the agency's mandate and ongoing initiatives, emphasizing the potential for collaboration with Chile's established astronomical community. Of particular interest to PhilSA were academic exchanges and graduate or postdoctoral study programs, collaboration in research and sharing of scientific data. The Department of Astronomy of Universidad de Chile, renowned for its research and access to cutting-edge astronomical facilities, expressed enthusiasm for the proposed collaboration. Both the PhilSA and Universidad de Chile agreed to exchange focal points and move forward with a technical workshop to be held possibly in May 2025 to identify specific areas where both institutions can work together. The 2 institutions also agreed to discuss further the possible participation of Universidad de Chile in the first Space Science and Astronomy Research Conference in August 2025 in Manila. The online meeting, organized and initiated by the Philippine Embassy in Chile, is part of the embassy's efforts to promote various aspects of Philippine-Chile relations, including space cooperation.
DFA Online. Here on Radyo Pilipinas World Service.
And that wraps up today's edition of DFA Online. For Radyo Pilipinas World Service, I am Win Peñano. Good day.
DFA Online. News and events from different Philippine embassies and consulates around the world. DFA Online. Here on Radyo Pilipinas World Service.